In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a workspace for your team step by step using Notion, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, functional team workspace that helps you track tasks, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress all in one place. This setup is perfect for small teams, startups, or anyone who wants better organization and visibility. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the sample workspace in Notion. This will be the foundation for building your team workspace. Once the page loads, click anywhere on the page and type /table on your keyboard. From the menu that appears, select the Table view. When prompted, choose New Empty Data Source so you can start completely from scratch with a clean setup. Next, click on the table area to highlight it, then open the layout options. Here, toggle off the data source title. This small change makes your workspace look much cleaner and more professional, especially when you're sharing it with your team. Now let's customize the table. Click on the Name column header and rename it to Task Name. This column will be used to track all the tasks your team is working on. Under the Task Name column, click New and type Strategy Launch. Click New again and add Social Media Assets. Click New once more and type Weekly Prep. Then click New again and add Website Refresh. These are example tasks, but you can customize them later to fit your own workflow. Next, we'll add a column to assign tasks to team members. Click on Add Property, choose Text, and name this column Person. This column will represent who is responsible for each task. Under the Person column, type in Sarah for the first task, then James for the next one, followed by Max, and then Mark. This immediately gives you clarity on ownership and accountability. Now let's add a status tracker. Click the plus icon to add another column, then select Status. By default, you'll see options like Not Started and In Progress. For each task, click under the Status column and set the appropriate status. For example, set Strategy Launch to Not Started, Social Media Assets to In Progress, Weekly Prep to Not Started, and Website Refresh to In Progress. You can adjust these anytime as work progresses. At this point, you've created a simple but powerful team workspace. You can clearly see task names, who's responsible, and the current status of each task, all in one organized view. This setup makes collaboration easier and helps your team stay aligned without constant check-ins. And that's it. You've now learned how to build a workspace for your team in Notion from scratch. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step Notion guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.